Hi guys, I'm seeing from rentalmilan.com. This is Luca Loft apartment video tour from a virtual tour. This is living room, kitchen area and living area, full fridge, dishwasher. Very nice apartment, sofa bed, ground floor. You can close the window in a good way so it's safe. Unlimited internet, bathroom with shower, washing machine that is also dryer. You can't see it from here, but there is electric boiler, hot water boiler. You can put some stuff here also under the stairs. So I show you the stairs. So this is the stairs, and this is the loft area, where is the bedroom. You have study table here. You have wardrobe, big bed, and this is the view from here downstairs. It's nice. There is also autonomous heating option, and this is in the courtyard. And of course there is AC also, and this is outside actually. Courtyard is quiet, and here you have outside via Pomponazzi. It's very near Bocconi also, just maximum 15-20 minutes walking or tram, few stops. Check availability and price with Ottavia. I let the link downstairs in the description. I hope you like it. Thank you.